So welcome to my channel. Today I'm participating in the Merry Christmas and Holiday Fun Festive Decor collaboration that is hosted by my good friends Dawn from Shabby Meets Bling and Monica from Up All Night DIY. So I'm going to do a little fun thing here with these skis. My holiday fun is skiing and skating. So I got these from Walmart a few years ago, and I thought I could change them up. So I'm going to be taking everything off of here, and I want to paint this a different color. So all this hardware has to come off. I will leave the galvanized part on here, but the rest of it will be coming off. The first thing I'm doing, I did sand it down a little bit, and I'm taking my Waverly chalk paint in the color plaster, and I'm probably going to have to do 2 to 3 coats to cover up this red. Now that it's all dry, I'm just going to take some sandpaper and I'm going to rough up the edges. The next thing I'm taking is my hippo gray color here, and I'm taking a damp paper towel, and I'm just going to rub this in everywhere on the skis. I want to start working on that hardware, so I'm going to take my hippo gray first, and I'm going to do a couple coats on here, and then I'll be using some metallic paint. The next thing I'm using is this brush metal paint in the color Brushed Silver, and I'm going to put a couple coats on all this hardware. I also use the same colors for the ski poles to cover up the red. Now I'm taking my snow text and I'm going to go over this little fake snow that they put on here. It's all this is that is on here is like white paint with some glitter on it. So I'm going to be putting my snow text on here and making it really thick. I'm also going to use the snow text on some of the metal parts where, your ski boots would go into. And then I want to make a sign to put on here. So I printed out this Let It Snow from Canva, and I have a round piece of cardboard here, a little bit bigger than this plate. I'll take this plate here and get my circle for my Let It Snow. Just going to be cutting this out and decoupaging it on to the cardboard, but I want to paint some of the cardboard first. Again, I'm going to be using my Hippo Gray, and I made a little circle here with my plate, so then I can go further out of the lines. Of course, I don't have to stay within the lines, but I'm going to paint this with the Hippo Gray. And then I will be decoupaging on the little Let It Snow sign. Just taking my Mod Podge and I'm going to put it all on the cardboard here. I'm going to smooth it out, and I will take my heat gun to it and make sure that there is no wrinkles except for where you can see the cardboard has the lines in it. All right, now that that is done, I'm going to take a damp piece of paper towel here with that Hippo Gray again, and I'm just going to go along the edges here onto the white part of the Let It Snow sign. I have this really cute trim here that has like little pom-poms on it, and I want to hot glue it here to the very top of the sign, just like this. I'm going to go ahead and get this all hot glued on. Now that that is done, I want to hot glue on all these little pieces of greenery that came off a couple picks. And I like it where it has a little bit of the snow to it. And I'm just going to go around the whole circle, just alternating my 3 different pieces. Now I want to hot glue this on to where the ski poles intersect. Just going to kind of line it up where I think I want to place it. And I'm just going to put lots of hot glue right there. Just kind of move it around a little bit. It moved on me. And I'm just going to hold it in place for a little bit until it sets. Alright, I decided to add a couple more little pieces here just to cover up where the trim meets. You can kind of see that. Just 3 little pieces right here that came off that same pick, and these berries also came off of there too. So I'm going to add some of the berries just for a little pop of red. Now see, this is something that you can have for Christmas and for winter time. Keep it out. It would look great hanging on your door instead of a wreath, or above your fireplace, or just on the wall. I think this is so cute. All right, let's go ahead and get started on the skates. So I have these little skate ornaments that I've had for many years. I think I got them from Walmart. And I did paint them with the gold, but I'm going to go back to silver now because that's what they were. I want to take these cuffs off first because I want to use something different up here. But I will be saving this because I can use this for another project. and they just pretty much come right off, just like that. And of course I'm going to have to paint my laces there too. But the gold is going to be covered up with silver, and I do need to paint the skates too. So I'm going to be painting the skates eggshell white, and I am going to leave the silver down at the bottom. So let me go ahead and get a couple coats on here. Now that the paint is dry, I'm going to use this extreme glitter, and it's called Hologram. And I'm just going to go ahead and put a couple coats of this paint over the whole skate. The next thing I'm using is my metallic paint in the color Silver Sterling, and I'm going to go over the laces. And I am going to have to go back and put some of that white on the gold down there at the bottom of the skates, because I don't think that this is going to cover it very well. Bottom painted with that silver color, and I'm also using my extreme glitter in the color silver that I put on there, and it matches the blade part. So now I'm going to use Snow Tex again, and we're going to put lots of snow on the bottom of the blade. The next thing I'm doing is I have this little piece of a boa, little feathery looking boa here, and I'm just going to hot glue this on. I want it a little more glamorous looking. I think this looks cute. What I like about these skates is that they have some styrofoam in them, because there was a little bit of greenery in there when I bought it and I took that out. So I'm just using some pieces from those same picks that I used on the skis, and I have to hot glue a few of them in. Now I also have these little glitter styrofoam balls. They were 3 on a pick, and I just cut them off, and I'm just going to randomly place them in here. And here is some more of the little berries that I used on the skis, just to tie them in together and give it a pop of red. And I have these cute little jingle bells here. I'm just going to kind of wrap around that ball, tuck it in, have them dangling down. I also have these little plastic snowflakes that I will be hot gluing in. I have both of them done. I also took some of this little glittery silver trim and I'm tying it to those jute holders there. Oops, that one came off. I guess I didn't have enough hot glue on there. Let's get that on there. And go ahead and tie this here. And then they're ready to hang. They're great to hang by themselves, or you could put them inside of a wreath. All right, let's see how they both look together. All right, my sweet friends, that's going to do it for the video today. I hope that you enjoyed it, and please be sure to check out everybody's videos. I have the playlist link down below in my description box, along with the host channel links. I want to wish everybody a very wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.